So hey guys, today I'm doing a quick little video showing that there's a new update from Honda for the infotainment system here. Sorry about the glare, I just realized you can't really see it, but you go to where it says system update. So find that little app and see now it's showing here that there's an update available. So you're just gonna click, there's a button that says download the update. And again, I apologize for the screen. I know you can't even see it, it's sunny. But you're gonna push that and it's gonna go through downloading it. It shows on Honda's website that it takes 30 minutes, but this took about, I would say 15 minutes to fully download. So I'm not gonna bore you too much. I'll fast forward this here so you can see it. And it has a little bar, it tells you what percentage is that. Okay, as you can see here, it's about, I think it's a 62% here. So you're just gonna push that and let it do its thing. You just have to keep the ignition on, okay? So we'll let that go for a little bit. See, just a little bit more, we'll be finished here. And I guess there's a lot of things that this update does too that'll help. And the biggest thing I can see is it'll help with the CarPlay just crashing all of a sudden. A lot of you guys I know mentioned that the CarPlay wasn't working right and you guys tried rebooting it and all that. So hopefully this fixes it. I'll put it here on the screen, you can see it. Kind of goes over a rundown on what it fixes. So good to keep this up to date. Okay, so when it's done here, I'll pull my car in the garage too so you can see it. Make it a little bit easier for you. But when it's done downloading, then you have to install the update. That'll be the next step. Okay? So here it shows that it's done. It's ready to be installed. Okay, so let me pull my car in the garage and you guys can see it. Okay guys, so it's already been downloaded. Okay, so it says to perform this update, please switch power mode to on. Okay, so we have to just push the start button just one time with your foot off the brake. So you don't want to start the car up. And you see where it says software update is ready, so we're good to go there. So you're gonna push the start button. Okay, now it comes up, install now in the left-hand corner, or install while the vehicle's off. So you just push install now, and now it's installing it. And this is really quick. This took about probably 5 minutes. Okay, so it'll turn the screen off like that by itself. Take a minute or so and it'll pop back up. And you'll see the grayed out button in a second here. There we go, finally. Okay. So it'll pop up like normal, but see the OK button's grayed out. Okay, it'll be complete when that button comes back up so you can push it. So just initializing everything. And it's kind of neat how the Honda does it now over the air like that. So makes it easy, you don't have to worry about it. So I'd highly recommend doing this because as you guys know, there's a lot of glitches recently. So hopefully this will clear them up. Okay, so once you got that done, now we're gonna go back to it where it says system updates. Click it. And this is just making sure that you got it installed right. Make sure there's no glitches, like you didn't lose connection over the air while you're doing it. Okay, so it's gonna run through this. And you just wanna make sure it says it's complete. Okay, installation of the new software is complete. So you're done, that's all you do. Okay guys, so if you didn't know already, go into that system update and see if you have it on there. Not exactly sure all the models. Shows 2018 on here, but it's good to check it to get it up to date just in case you don't try to go to the dealer because there's a glitch or something with your screen. Okay? So I hope that helps you guys out. Maybe it'll fix the problem you're having. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. And I will catch you guys next time. Thanks again.